The Lao economy today is experiencing a phase of development but also faces numerous challenges, primarily related to infrastructure, the small scale of the economy, and dependence on foreign investment. Below are some key characteristics of the current Lao economy. 1. Economic growth, GDP. Growth rate. Before the COVID-19 pandemic, Laos achieved an average GDP growth rate of about 6 to 7% annually, thanks to growth in sectors such as agriculture, hydropower, and mining. However, the pandemic has caused significant difficulties for the economy, slowing growth to an estimated rate of less than 4% in 2023. Agriculture. Agriculture remains the main pillar of the economy, accounting for about 20% of GDP and employing over 60% of the labor force. Key agricultural export products include rice, coffee, and rubber. 2. Dependence on hydropower. Electricity exports. Laos is often referred to as the battery of Southeast Asia, due to its large potential for producing and exporting electricity from hydropower. More than 30% of the electricity produced in Laos is exported to neighboring countries such as Thailand, Vietnam, and China. This sector provides a significant source of foreign currency but also raises concerns about environmental impact and over-reliance on a single industry. 3. Foreign direct investment, FDI from China and Thailand. Foreign direct investment plays a crucial role in infrastructure development and large-scale projects in Laos. China and Thailand are the two largest investors. Notably, the Laos-China Railway project connecting Vientiane to Kunming is a major advancement in transportation infrastructure and is expected to boost trade. Public debt risk. However, heavy reliance on FDI and foreign loans has led to a sharp increase in public debt, raising concerns about Laos's future debt repayment capabilities. 4. Inflation and currency issues. Inflation. Laos is currently facing high inflation, mainly due to the depreciation of the KIP, the national currency, especially after the COVID-19 pandemic. This depreciation has increased the cost of imported goods, causing difficulties for an economy heavily dependent on foreign products. Currency challenges. The trade imbalance and reliance on foreign currency from tourism and remittances also contribute to exchange rate pressure and economic instability in Laos. Tourism and the impact of COVID-19. Tourism. Before the pandemic, tourism was one of Laos's key economic sectors, attracting millions of international visitors each year. The tourism industry contributed significantly to GDP and created many jobs. However, the COVID-19 pandemic severely impacted this sector. Efforts are underway to recover, particularly with strategies to reopen tourism and invest in tourism infrastructure. 6. Challenges and opportunities. Infrastructure challenges. Despite progress in building infrastructure, Laos still faces many limitations in terms of roads, bridges, and transportation systems. This affects internal connectivity and international trade. Opportunities from geographical location. Laos holds with great potential due to its strategic location, surrounded by large markets such as China, Thailand, Vietnam, and Cambodia. This creates favorable conditions for Laos to develop into a regional connectivity hub, especially with transportation and trade projects. Conclusion. The Lao economy today is in a phase of development with many opportunities, but also faces numerous challenges. To maintain sustainable growth, Laos must continue improving infrastructure, effectively manage public debt, and diversify its economy to avoid over-reliance on hydropower and FDI.